In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Wise Bank doesn't send text. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Usually, when you try to enable two-step verification or you try to do any sort of transaction that needs approval, Wise is going to send you a confirmation text that you have to read and approve. If you aren't receiving that text, there are various reasons why. In this video, I'm gonna present some of them. And while I can't guarantee that one of them is going to work, I highly recommend that you try all of them, and possibly one of these methods will fix the issue of Wise not sending a text. So first, make sure that you have the latest version of the Wise mobile app. By having the latest version of the Wise app, you will be able to run the app normally and make sure that all messages go through. You also get more security by having the latest version of the app and newly updated features. Now, the first things to check are make sure that you have Wi-Fi or mobile/cellular data. Since you are watching this video, I assume that you have a strong internet connection already, so usually this isn't going to be the issue. Just double check to see if the Wise app is receiving the signal, and if it is, you can try sending it again. Another thing is that you need to make sure that you are checking the app on a device that you set as trusted. This is available when you go over to your Wise account settings and you make sure that the device you are currently signed in is trusted. Make sure you don't have power saver mode on any cell phone that might restrain notifications, and most importantly, double check to see if you haven't silenced notifications from Wise. Usually this is going to be a notification from the actual app itself. If you are trying to receive a text message, you will have to go to your messages and see if they are under the spam possibly, or try reloading them from there manually. If it's still not working, there should be a button to select "I'm not receiving approval requests," and then you will receive the code by text. Besides all of these things, there isn't much that you can do on the way of fixing this issue by yourself. It could be that the Wise servers are slow or down, and because of this, you simply have to wait until they fix the issue on their end. As long as your device has notifications enabled, you have a strong internet connection, it is trusted and doesn't have power saver mode on, and you enable texts from any contacts, including unknown contacts aka Wise, you will be able to receive the text on any SIM card. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Wise Bank doesn't send text. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.